Hello, 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 hello. Now can you hear me, online students? Okay, write down these points. Completed? Writing? Hello. Right? Completed? All 3 points. Hey, very fast you are writing, yeah? Like robo Luku writer. Oh my god. Oh. All 3 points completed? 4th, 5th, and question. Completed? Second point. Babu, Divyansh. Next, read. Third point. Down right now, question also. I'm expecting this program. I want you only develop. I don't help. How many account? Second class? Bank. Bank account class contain what? All these variables. What is bank type? Branch name? IFSC? Double. Account number? Double. In your account number, decimals are there. 0.00. Long. Account holder name? String. Balance? Double. Address? 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 Address is string. Tell me. Inside address. Kara. What are Anna? Tell me your address. Anna. Single character there in your address. Namaskaram. What is there in address? Door number, street number, city, pin code, flat number, apartment number, landmark. How many values are there? And then what is it? String array now. Array, string array, how can you choose, man? You are not storing all strings, not names, right? All these are what? Values. What is a door number? A variable with a value, right? What is a flat number? A variable with value. Apartment name, a variable with value, right? Everything is what? Variable with value. Somebody asked, tell me what is your house pin number? I'm not asking your pin number, Swami. Okay, mindless fellows. If somebody asks, tell me your pin number. If you take string or string array, exactly pin number can you take out and give? No. You follow my point? Somebody asks, tell me your landmark. Only landmark you can take and give? No. So that's why, what is address? Address is a values of multiple values. Address is a multiple values of different type. Then how can you store multiple values of different type? Class. So totally how many classes you should develop now? 3. Number one, address. First you should create address. Why? First you must create address. Why? Without address, how can you create bank account class? Bank account class is using address class. So dependency. Hello? Can you create a bank class without bank account? No. So first address class, then what? Bank account class. How many properties you have to consider in address? Properties means values. How many variables you have to create an address class? Door number, flat name, apartment name. Next, landmark where you have, okay? Your house is not landmark, no? Next, street number, some many street numbers are there. Next, city, state, pin code. Oh my God, so many you should write. If you have patience to write these many, you write your wish. What was those many who will write? And 2 things you write. Number 1, street to city. Minimum street number, city you write. Okay, na? In which street, in which city. At least people will come to that city searching for the street number. Okay. So 1 or 2 variables based on your interest you write. Okay. And bank account you must write with all the variables. Samajh mein aaya? Next. Still you can write if you want email, mobile. Okay, now those things also you can write. But as of now, I don't want to trouble you much. So these many variables are sufficient. Then now once bank is open with the bank account, customers should come to open their accounts. Na? Tell me. Now create 2 new accounts. For what? Customers. Who are now customers? Student, HKBK, studied very well Java, got the job. To deposit salary, account should be open, no? So HK bank account open to deposit salary. Bank Bale Babu account is open to deposit salary. With their values you store and display their values on console. Tell me, is it a same as the previous program only? Previous programs we have not used other class objects. Here I am trying to use what? Other class object. Previous program has only 2 to 3 variables. Here little bit more variables are. That is only the difference. Now these 2 are employees are working for one company. Yes or no? Then HKBK accounts will be open in 2 different banks or same bank? Same bank, 2 different branches or same branch? Same branch, because the both are belongs to employee of one company. So accounts will be open in a same bank, same account, same branch. Are you following? Right. Keep these points in the mind. You try to develop. I'm giving 5 minutes time. Okay, na? In these 5 minutes, I want you write the code first. Definitely you will commit some mistakes, and then those mistakes will be corrected by seeing my code. Okay? I'll check everyone notes. If we sit silently, matre. How much you can write? Write. All points clearly I have mentioned. Okay, if you are unable to write, discuss with your side friend. Okay, na? You have to cooperate each other and you have to complete. If you sit silently, matre, don't doubt in that. Sachare, vasta, me దగ్గరికి. I'll verify everyone notes, what you are writing, why you are writing, everything I'll ask. Tell me, in address class, everything will be address.java. Now string, okay, apartment name, you can take string city, okay, string pin. Tell me, in address class, everything will be what? String only, because all are alphanumeric content only. I taken these pin will be int. Int longer. Why long? Is it a 6-digit number? Na? Then it can be int. Why long unnecessary? Okay. So if you want one more variable, you can take string street number. Tell me, street number is a string or int? Street number 1, street number 2 will be there. Any alphanumerics will not be there. May be there. We cannot guarantee. Right? 1 by 2 may be there. Street number, this is a main street. In this main street, this is a sub street. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like that may be there. So why to take risk? Let me take what? A string, alphanumeric number. Then this is address class. I am saving this program with the name address. .java. Tell me, this address class is a reusable class in student, employee, bank account, all three places? Right. So when you write a class, that class can be reused from multiple other classes also. Following by, I'm going for what? Next class. Tell me, in this class, what you write? Class? Bank account. Wonderful. Bank account. In this bank account, is it a main method class? No. What do you write now? String bank name. Next string branch name. Next double string IFSC. IFSC is what? String A. It's a alphanumeric number, right? Then next long account number. Wonderful. Next string account holder name. Nice. Next double balance. Wow, super. Double balance. Then next address. Equal to new address. If you write equal to new address, then what happens? You are creating object and assign to that variable. That means bank account will have same, all bank accounts will have same address. Na? When address should be decided? When the customer open an account, na? Already we learned, right? Inside the business logic class, data storing class, we should not assign any kind of values or objects. When should I assign the values or objects? When we create one instance for the object. When we create instance for the object, based on that object, we should assign the values. Are you following? So inside the class, you must not assign any value or object to the variables. Any of you did that mistake? Correct it. Correct your mistake. .java. Bank account .java. Class, what you have write? Bank. Class, bank. Tell me, inside bank class, is it a main method class? Yes. What I should do now here? I should create bank account class object. Bank account. How many instances I should create? 2. New bank account. Next, one more instance, account 2 equal to new bank account. Have you drawn memory for this line? Is there any memory in this class? No. Is there any memory in this class? No. Always have a habit of giving one line like this. And also have a habit of creating all variables in one line. So it is easy for reading the code. Now tell me. In this class, do you have any memory? No. In this class, do you have any memory? No. In this class, do you have any memory? Yes. This line has a memory. Have you drawn object for this line? If not, do it now. Without having memory idea, writing logic is very difficult. You try first. First you draw memory for this line, then I will help you. I don't help you directly. Come on, first. Account. So please check your side person. Is he trying? If not trying, please let me know. Are friend? Pray. Should be sit there. Today I followed him. Today stop coming. See, if I follow some person, Gaya. Amma, this fellow is monitoring me. He is asking me questions, so should not go to class. Okay. So maybe you will get, I feel bad if I say this. This behavior there only in our Telugu people. If a teacher is following me, asking me questions and saying that learn, okay, na? That's a bad habit. Correct? So when somebody is helping you to get success, you should do more friendship with him. Okay? Come, accept my friend request. Now tell me, here, how many variables memory created? Follow. 7. First variable, bank name, branch name, IFSC, account number, account holder name, balance, address. I am writing shortcut because space problem. You also writing shortcut? You write full cut. Sir, this program is very important, sir. Next coming 3 chapters depending on this program only. People who are lazy and not participating, you will face a lot of problems. Next coming 3-4 chapters, design based on today program only. And our interview passing, failing also decides this program. Now, what is the base address? 1010. Apart from this, anything else happen? I have asked a question. Apart from this, anything will happen background. What? Address? Address memory created. Address object created. When address object is created, if you create instance, did you create instance of address? You apply new keyword to only what? Then control will go to bank account class. In bank account class, these variables memory allocated. Have you assigned any value here? Then how address object created? Hello? My testing 1, 2, 3, 4. You have asked the new keyword, my dear new keyword. Go to bank account class, create bank account class members memory. Bank account class variables memory created. Right? And those variables memory allocated here. समझ में आया? Then reference intent and stored. That's it. This is bank account object एक. Have you already done same way? If you do mistake, correct it. Now, can you work for second object at least? One object I shown. Work for second object. Check first. Any of your account holder name, balance, address. I'm not joking. I will come and check your notes. Today after checking your notes only, I will leave you to go. If you have not written silently sitting, definitely you should answer today. This is a bank account. Object 2. Bank name, branch name, IFSC, account holder name, account balance, address. Then reference is 2020 stored in account 2 pointing. Okay? Next. 2 objects you have created. That's what the question I told you, no? Close this. Develop a program to create the real world object bank account in the programming world with its properties. Okay, bank account class, required address, address to bank account class. These 2 have completed the first part, right? Second part, create 2 accounts for the customers, HK and BK. Now I have created 2 accounts. Accounts are 2 applications. These are the accounts or applications. Application. 2 applications print out ready. Now this application is for whom now? HK. HK came and collected this application. This application is collected by BK. Now I should store their values in these objects. Na? Tell me what the code I should write. Everyone should help me. Account 1 dot bank name equal to which bank these employees are belongs to? Okay, HDFC, most dangerous bank. Account 1 dot branch name. Ameripaid, the most dangerous area in the world. Okay, you know, software engineers are born, lovers also born. I know, lover failures also born. Okay. Right. This is a great area where you can get okay. Where you can get correct spelling. Ameripaid spelling very much confusion to me. Account 1 dot IFSC. What is the Ameripaid IFSC code for HDFC Bank? Yeah, what are these? HD 123 AM. Let me take. Is it a serious application? Dummy values you can take. Okay. Next. Account 1 dot account number equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 90 10 12. 12 digit number na. Account number is a 12 digit number. So bank dot java. What? Here. Okay. Tell me. Up to now, you tell me. Is this code compiler? Come on, everyone. Up to now, I have written this code compiler. Yes or no? No. Yes. Sir. No. Yes, sir. No. No. This number is what type? This number is what type? Anna, what is going on, Anna? Time asking. Doubt. Come here. If you have doubt, ask me. Everybody looking at you guys. No one is listening me. Now tell me. This number is what type? I'm not asking. This variable is what type? This variable is long. This number is what type? Integer in maths. In Java? Come on. Every integer in Java is a int type. Right? Now, is this number is in the range of int? No. It is exceeding the range of int. Compiler throw error. Integer number too large. Our 11 members team, cricket team, has entered into the playground to play. Suddenly Rohit Sharma got injured. He left. Tell me, by default, umpire wanted to talk to the people, to the team. Then he will go to whom now? Captain. Who is the default person in the 11 members? Captain. So now by default he will go on to talk to Rohit Sharma. Who is our 11 players in our integer data type? 4. Byte, short, int, long. Who is the captain for all 4 types? Int, not long. Int. Int is the captain. Default data type of every integer number is int. Now, suddenly what happened? Int, nothing but our Rohit Sharma captain got injured. Just example, don't plan anything outside. My fan in Rohit Sharma, you said injured. How dare? Don't plan. Just example I am taking, Anna. Now tell me. So this number is not in the range of int. Tell me, captain is not there in the team. But no, by default, umpire is searching for very Rohit Sharma. Very Rohit Sharma retired and left. Then in place of Rohit Sharma, vice captain will take the lead. Na? Who is that? K? K? L. Okay, that L you should place here. Are you following my point? Now who is taking the lead of this number? This number is not int type. This is compiler considered as a int and it is a range is going out of int. I should tell to compiler, hello compiler, he is not Rohit Sharma. It is not int type. It is a KL Rahul. Pray KL Rahul, no here. L stands for what? Long type. I should tell to compiler consider this number as a long type number. Control 1, control 1. Look at there, cannot find symbol, branch, spelling mistake. BRANCH. Branch name. Branch. There, wrong. Okay. Now, control 1. Now look at that program is compiled successfully. So tell me, again repeat the point. When you wanted to take large integer number in the program, you must suffix with what? L. For example, this variable is what type? Long type. For example, I am taking only 4-digit number here. Now tell me, is this number is of what type? This number is a int type. Okay, now this number is int type. Now this int number can be stored in long variable? Yes. Do I need to write here L? No. Why? It is an integer. Is of type int. In the range of int. Can be stored in long. Understand my terminology? If I write here large integer number without L, what is the problem? Where is the problem? Storing problem or the number itself problem? Storing is not a problem. The number itself is the problem. Compiler consider it as a integer. In Java it is a int type, and this number not in the range of int. Range ante only some limit will be there. How much range it will allow? Suppose 9-digit number allowed? Yes. 9-digit number in the range of int. 10-digit number in the range of int. 11-digit number not in the range of int. Integer number too large. And 12 not in the range of it throwing error. Now I should tell to compiler, don't consider this large number as a int, consider it as a long. Then write what? L. Hello, compile successful. Okay na? Now here I am taking normal number. It is considered as what type? In the range of int? Can be stored in int? I want to tell to can be stored in long? Yes. I want to tell to compiler, hello compiler, consider this number as long. Don't consider as a int. What should I read? L I should write. Small L, capital L. Your wish. Me L you can write. And tell me, it is a 120, 1200 and, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 L, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Confusion. Maybe 1. Maybe L. Now the current context is yellow. So your eye is seeing like a yellow. Okay na? If it in the exam, you cannot get the thought of L. Be careful. So that's why generally people will choose what? Capital L. For easy identifying it is a L. So finally what? A short number, a small normal number, you can take it as a int and can be stored in int or can be stored in long. If you want particularly tell to compiler, consider this number as only long, then I should suffix with what? L. If you take large integer number, then you have to suffix with what? L. Is it clear, Anna? I hope you did mistake here. Correct? I know you are talented person. Completed? Shall I proceed next point? Tell me now. Here, I want to store next value. What is that? Account holder name. Account holder name equal to what you write? Double quotes. HK. Next. Balance. Balance. Write 9999. As in the program, write big number. Okay. How much? 9 lakh. Only 9 lakh. Take one more number. Okay. Next. Account number dot address. Tell me. To store address, can I write directly house number, street number? No. What is address? It is a class. What is the class variable value? Class variable value is a object. So how to create object? New address. समझ में आया? Okay, I want you initialize this memory up to here. Can you do that? Try up to here. What happened? You draw. You complete the memory initialization. Everyone has to do. Should not sit silently. రాసుకుంటారు రే ఆల్రెడీ రాసావా రాయలేదా చూస్తున్నావా బంగారు కొంటారు బాబు బాలయ్య బాబులాగా చూడు ఒకవైపే చూడు అలా తీకు చూస్తూ రాసుకోవాలా గబగబా చకచక Tell me, don't you know how to create object of a class? Bank account class, what do you understand here? What is the meaning of this line, this line, this line? Same thing, this line also. What is the confusion? I want to store string. I created a variable of what type? String. I want to store double value. I created a variable of type double. I want to store address. Then I have to create a variable of what type? Address. Now what is the confusion? Range of long, tell me once again. Range of value. What you wanted to know? L. If you want to store normal numbers, you can use directly number. That's it. Okay? It is a large number beyond the range of int. So you should use L. All the people completed a diagram? So tell me what you have written here. Bank name. Directly HDFC. You can store outside. String object you can store. Your wish. Outside string and assign here. Which one you want to follow? HDFC. Reference stored point. I'm not taking multiple references. It's confusion. Just next. Branch. Amirpet. Next. IFSC. అరే నేను చేయాలరా నిద్రమోహం గడు. అరే డైలీ ఆర్ యూ కమింగ్ టు క్లాస్ ఓంకార్? Then are you sleeping in class? Arey Omkar, I am not asking you. There is another student, Omkar. There, ONKR, OMKR. Mane Kulakarni. Babu, variable type? Hello, variable type? What is stored here? Bank name? Amirpet. Next IFSC. Space problem, so I am writing only shortcuts. Account number. That 1, 2, 3, 4 ... stored here. Account holder name. HK stored in a separate object pointing to it. Right? Next balance. 999999 directly stored here. Address. What happened? Outside object is created and the address value stored here. Am I right? Now tell me, is address is a normal object? No, it has several variables. What are the variables we have? Apartment name. Then what? We have city. Then we have pin code. All these variables memory create. And now its object reference is stored here point. Okay? Is everyone understood? So now when you see this line, you have to, new keyword will go into where? Address class. Inside address class available all these. Oh, one more variable is the street number. City, street number, pin. All these 4 variables are provided memory. Tell me. Correct? Any order, okay, no problem here. Now I have to see here these variables I have initialized. By these variables I have initialized what? Bank account object I have initialized. Now I should initialize address object na? Tell me, how can I access the variables of address object to initialize? What I should write? First I should go to account 1, should go to address, then I can access apartment number, apartment APT name. APT name equal to double quotes. What do you write? HK Heaven. Some name here, okay? Right. Next. Account 1 dot address dot street number. It is available in street number 1. Street number is string, na? So write in double quotes. Next, account 1 dot address dot city equal to, where is city? Hyderabad. Then account 1 dot address dot pin equal to, what the repeat pin? 50016 5,16,000. Yeah. Amma? Semicolon missing. Have you understood this one? Tell me. Now here, what do you call HK heaven is created outside HH, pointing to it. Then city, Hyderabad, all Hmayam. And then street number 1. Then pin number directly stored 5000. This is the complete address object of, and then you completed your application form field, submitted to that clerk. Now clerk will open your account with the given details. Can I expect all you understood? Really? Now I want you write logic for the second object yourself. Come on. See, every day in company you are working this way only, nothing more. Create real world objects, store the values, read values, modify values. Right? The second object you try with try. Please don't. This is my memory. When this line is executed here, what happened? One more address object is created. Am I right? Then here, BK heaven. Okay. Next. Okay. 2. Hyderabad. Okay. Take Secunderabad. 5,16,000. Assume some 17 or whatever. Do you understand? Shall I ask a question now? I created one more account. What happened? If I create one more account, what happened? One more object is created. How? This bank account object. Now for PK, Pawan Kalyan Babu address I created. Bank name is what? Same. Branch name? IFSC? 100 objects I created. For all 100 objects, bank name, branch name, IFSC same na? when the values are same, why are you allocating separate copy memory in every object? Is my question understood or not? When values are same, in all objects values are same, why are you changing? Why are you creating memory again and again? These three variables, suppose they are taking, suppose a some 30 MB of memory, then 100 objects you created. 30 into 100, how many bytes? 3000 bytes of memory occupy. Is it not a performance issue? So what's Sun Microsystem telling? Arabai Hari, whenever you are creating a class to represent one object or multiple objects of same type, find the variables storing same values for all objects or different values for each object. If all objects are storing same values for these variables, don't allocate separate copy memory in every object. It is a performance issue. Memory waste. Are you catching my point? Then how many copies of memory we should provide? One copy memory common to all these objects inside this class itself. Then we have to declare these variables as static. Static, static, static. Hello? Are you understand? You must declare these variables as static. If you declare these variables as a static, how many copies of memory created? One copy. Then are those variables available inside the objects? No. Where these variables are provided in memory? In the class itself. So in the class itself, here itself, the memory will be allocated. Okay, na? Bank name, continuation memory, individual memory, branch name, IFSC. Now all these variables are provided memory as part of what? Class. Then account number will pointing to this memory. Why? Are these three variables values are belongs to account one or not? Are there only account one values? No. Also the values of account two. Are you following my point? Also the values of account two. That means all objects will pointing to same memory. Samajh mein aaya? So finally, what the final discussion you should have? Whenever we are trying to store multiple values, whenever you want to store object of an whenever you want to store values of an object, you must ask a question, one thing. What the question? Are these values common to all objects, or these values are changing from one object to another object? Are you catching my point? If the values are common to all objects, then what I should do now? If the values are changing from one object to another object, what should I do now? I should declare that variables as non-static. If all objects values are same, then what I should do? I should declare as a static. If I declare variable as a static, how many copies of memory allocated? One copy. And that one copy memory will be available for all objects or not? Yes. Object 1, object 2, everything we can access with same name. Can I hope all people got clarity now? Will you correct it? Where? In same program or another program? Another program, not in the same program. Okay, we need to create the same program one more time, because the way we need to declare variables, the way you need to access variables will be different. Just I gave you idea here. Okay, now? Right. Now, please try to. Don't write as of now. Okay, don't write. We have to complete the program still, or else, yeah, leave this program here. Okay, because already you have assigned reading and displaying. It's okay. We can understand later. Let's move to next program. So now you write again. Write down the problem in above program. Write down. In above program. Close that program there. Okay. Object. We are stored. Save waste and time waste. It leads to memory waste and time waste. All variable names. We are storing this for bank name, branch name, IFSC. IFSC, it leads to memory waste and time waste. In all objects, we are storing same values for bank name, branch name, IFSC. It leads to memory waste and time waste. Full stop. The solution to this problem is, what the solution to this problem? We must declare these variables as static. We must declare these variables as static. So that what happened? These variables will have only one copy memory. So that these variables will have only one copy memory. So that copy memory means what? They are provided memory only one time, one copy memory, common to all objects. Common to all objects created from this class. 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 Next point. Now we can access these static variables. Either by using what? Either by using class name, or by using object reference. Either by using class name or by using object reference. Why? Because these variables memory common to all objects. Right on. Because these variables are provided memory. Because these variables are provided memory where? Because these variables are provided memory in class. Because these variables are provided memory in class with respect to in class common to all objects. In class common to all objects. In class common to all objects. Again I am repeating, sir. These variables are provided memory inside the class. So we can access the variables by using class name. And next, these variables are provided memory common to all objects. So we can also access by using object. Very important point. Both static variables and non-static variables are meant for storing values of an object. Don't forget this point. Static variables, something else, don't feel. Both static variables and non-static variables are meant for storing values of an object. If you want to say you have a bank account, only with account number, account holder name and balance can you decide your account? No. Your account should require also bank name, branch name, IFSC. But these three values are common to all objects. Only for saving the memory, we are bringing out and allocating memory to common to all objects. Is it clear, Anna? Really? All people understand? Right. Then next step. Tell me how to access the static variables. Tell me how to access non-static variables by using object reference. Account 1 dot, account 2 dot. Then how to access non-static variables? How can I access non-static variables? Non-static variables access by using object reference. How can we access by using static variable? How can I access static variable in our program? Static variable memory specific to each object or common to all objects? Okay, next point. You are accessing a variable. You are accessing that variable for what purpose? For three purpose. Either for storing value, or for reading the value, or for modifying the value. Okay. Now static variable will have one copy memory to all objects or changing object to object? One copy. One copy memory is there, right? Then if you access with the account to 1 dot bank name, I may feel that as a other programmer, I may feel that bank name is a non-static variable. Yes or no? Are you feeling? Your feelings are very important. Please feel. Okay, now if you see you are a other programmer, I am the project developer. Now you come to the main method. Inside main method, you have seen what? Account 1 dot bank name equal to HDFC. What you will feel? Oh, account 1 object is belongs to HDFC bank. Acha. Now tell me. Now you come here, you written account 2 dot bank name equal to ICICI. You have written. Then what happened, Amma? Where this ICICI will go and store now? Come on. Why you are thinking so much? Look at the diagram and tell me. Where ICICI will go and store? In? Where account to 2 dot ICICI you have written. Account to 1 dot what you have written? HDFC. Account to 1 dot bank name HDFC. Account to 2 dot ICICI if you write, then it is also coming and storing here only, na? Then now tell me, HK bank become ICICI bank, no? Everyone understand? Yes. So tell me, what way you have to access static variables to modify their values? I should give a feeling to the programmer, these variables are static or non-static? Static. So that's why you have to access by using class name. If you write account 1 dot bank name, I may feel that this bank name is belongs to which object? Account 1 specific. But it is account 1 specific or common to all accounts? Then if you do changes, you will get affected to all objects. That clarity I should give to the programmer. Na? That's why there is a design. Let me ask you a question. Can we access static variable by using class name? Yes, because it has a memory in the class. Can I access static variable by using object reference? Yes, because that variables are having memory inside with respect to object also. But what is the right design? According to compiler syntaxes, we can access by using class name, also by using object. But according to project design, what the right way of accessing? Class name. If you access with the class name, what feeling other programmer will get? Now this variable is what? Static variable, common to all objects. Acha, the down all objects I have created belongs to HDFC. If I write account 1 dot bank name, this modification happened to all accounts. That feeling I will get. All other people understand? Right. Blue color shirt. Where are you? I'm not asking from where you are. I'm asking where are you? कहाँ हैं आप? Classroom में or playground में? You are in classroom or in playground? Classroom. Okay. Take your books and leave. Fast. You know why I'm asking you to leave. Fast, leave. Tomorrow onwards, when you're coming to class, come to the class. Don't come to the playground. Okay? Get up. He is now eating chiclet. Bubble gum. What a attitude, no? It's a wonderful attitude he's having. Rajasthan, na? I'm asking question. He's saying, Rajasthan. Okay. Where are you? In classroom or playground? Classroom. So what? This is what the attitude nowadays people are having. This is the respect you are having towards your class. Respect to the parents. Rowdy shooters are better than, they are looking good. They are looking shooters. I should not compare you with rowdy shooters. I'm insulting them, really. So finally come. How to access static variable? You can access by using class name. Also you can access by using object reference. But what is the right design to access? Class name. When you are storing value. Now I want read value. When you're reading value, I should give an impression that it is account 1 value. Na? It is account 2 value. So while storing or modifying, we will use class name. While reading, I will use what? Object reference. Everyone understand? So this knowledge you should have learned. Please practice this program in your system. Type complete program as it is. And tomorrow we will try to launch the most important chapter called what? Variables and types of variables. How many types of variables we have? 2 types. What are the 2 types now? Static and non-static. After static, non-static completed, then I will launch another 2 types of variables. Okay. Tomorrow class very important. Don't miss. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.